Hi guys, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Today I'd like to give you a brief overview of the ports on the side of this ACDC25. I'm just going to give you a quick instruction and what they're all used for. Keep in mind that if you get stuck at any time during your installation, just make reference to the sticker that's on the inside here. Here it labels all the ports and tells you what each one of them is actually used for. So these two extreme ports on top here, so that one there and this one here, this is my 12 volt negative and my positive terminal here. This is where you would connect up any device that needs electricity. So on a fingerprint reader it needs power to run, or on a no touch exit, or on a little remote receiver. This is where you would connect it up in order to give power to the device to switch it on. The next ports down the line is, so it's port number 3 is push. So when you have an exit button, or let's say it's either a no-touch exit or an actual exit or a laser relay, you would then connect that one of the ports up there onto this push button. Now the corresponding port would be connected up onto this one here. This is on common. So here's my common and my push button exit. Then the next ports that we have in our line here is normally open, normally closed, and we have our ground connector there. So depending on your lock relay, what type of power is required. So let's say it's a magnetic lock, you would connect it onto the normally closed and then the ground. This is where the lock would draw its power from itself. And then obviously once the push button is closed, the relay is shut down and it kills the power to that. Or your biometric reader, you would connect up the common port here onto common, and then you would connect it onto the push button, so that when the relay is closed within the biometric reader, it would then trigger and then cut the power through to these normally closed and then the ground port that's there. If you guys get stuck at any time, like I said, just make reference to this diagram that's here and then the quick instructions, and it's quite clearly explained what port is for what and things like that. If you guys got any questions or comments, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll do our best to help you.